Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we're gonna explain about bus system. Before that, I will introduce you my team: Muhammad Zikri, Najla Maharani, and Hilmi Zakiuddin Rahman.
What is bus system? Computer bus system serves as a communication route between the CPU, memory, and input or output device, among other parts of the system for the transfer of data, address, and control signal. A computer bus system's job is to make the erase of the parts like the CPU, memory, and input or output device to communicate with one another so they can work together smoothly. The bus system stimulates the computer's general architecture by offering a standardized data transformation route, which makes it simpler to incorporate new hardware without completely rebundling the system. The bus system also control signal control, which guarantees seamless component interaction and boosts the overall speed and effectiveness of the computer's bus system definition. The path in computer where data can move is called a bus. A bus ability to be used as a combined transformation medium in one of its key features.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hilmi Zakiuddin Rahman. Now I will explain you three types of bus system and four types of bus system interface. Bus system got three main components, and this data bus, address bus, and control bus. Data bus function is to transport data being processed, and their purpose is to ensure data can be moved quickly and efficiently within a computer system. On the other hand, address bus function is determines the location where the data will be retrieved or stored. And the control bus function is manage operations such as reading, writing, and synchronization between devices. Their purpose is to ensure that all the components function in a coordinated, efficient manner. And the next slide is you have four types of bus interfaces. They got ISA, HDSI, USB, and PCI. Another expansion for bus. So for the next slide is we got four types of bus interfaces. We got ISA, HDSI, USB, and PCI. The ISA stands for Industry Standard Architecture. The example of ISA is like your pretty much like your old sound card back in the day when the PC is still white big cube. And the next is SCSI. SCSI stands for Small Computer System Interface. One of SCSI example is your old big fellas Seagate Barracuda SCSI drives. I don't think telling brand is a good idea, but I know this video is gonna be private, so I think it's okay. The next is USB. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus, and I don't think I don't need to tell you detail about this one. Since your keyboard, your mice, and your charger phone is a USB. And the last one is PCI. The PCI is stand for peripheral components interconnect. PCI is the slot to put your GPU or sound card or network card or whatever it is. If you're a PC enthusiast, you should be know that weird long.
Okay, next, two type of bus architecture. A dedicated bus is a communication line that is specifically used to transfer data between two specific devices. Each device that has its own bus, which is not shared with other devices. Okay, the first is dedicated bus, and second, multiplex bus. Multiplex bus is a communication line that can be used by multiply devices interchangeable. Multiply devices share the same bus to transfer data. Okay, next. Okay, this is how the bus system works. In the picture, this is a system bus. Okay, first, first process is input data. The input devices, the example is keyboard or mouse, send data to the CPU via the data bus with the address bus in identifying the input devices and the control bus managing control signal. Okay, process 2 is processing by the CPU. The CPU receives the data, process it according to the instruction, and if needed, accesses memory to read or store data. Process 3 is memory access. The CPU uses the address bus to specify the memory location, the control bus to send operation signal, read or write, and the data bus to transfer data between the CPU and memory. And last process is output data. Once the data is processed, the CPU sends the result to the output devices or monitor, like monitor or printer via the data bus, using the address bus to identify the output device and the control bus to manage control signal. This process repeats repeatedly to perform various tasks in the computer system.
Example of bus system. First, CPU asks for data. The CPU wants to get some information from RAM, so it sends the address or location of the data storage. This happens through a special highway called the address bus. Second, RAM finds the data. Once the RAM gets the address, it look for the data in the location. After that, sending the data back. After RAM finds the data, it sends it back to the CPU through another highway called the data bus. The last control signal during this process another highway called the control bus. Make sure everything is happens controlled, like traffic signals controlling when to stop and go.
Conclusion is, the bus system, which serves a communication channel between the CPU, memory, and I/O device, is an essential part of computer design. Numerous bus can exist, including as data, address, and control buses, each with a distinct purpose in data transfer and control signal regulation. With the bus system, data transfer may be carried out efficiently and coordinated, allowing the computer system to perform properly. Furthermore, the bus system facilitates expansion, meaning that new hardware can be added without completely rebuilding the system. All things considered, the bus system is essential to maintaining the computer system high performance and capability. Thanks for watching. See you soon.